What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Artie. Exciting video because we're finally over with 2020, hopping into 2021. I'm going to be doing my laundry, so I'm going to be hopping in 2021 with a lot of clean microfiber towels. But before I hop into how I do my laundry, this is a little quick video on how I wash my towels. I want to wish all of you guys a good, nice 2021. Celebrate with your family. Health is number one priority. 2020 with COVID has been a rough year for many of us. Hopefully 2021 will get better. So let's hop into today's video, how to wash microfiber towels. So I'm not a professional, but I'm going to be sharing with you guys my method on how I do it. If you have your own ways or have a little secret, make sure you comment down below. So if you've been part of the channel, you know microfiber towels is something that I probably state in all of my cleaning videos, how much I love microfiber towels. And here, laying on the Porsche, I have some clean ones, some orange and some blue. So usually how I go with my microfiber towels, if in the month of, for instance, January, I want to use blue for the inside of my vehicles, I'll put a clean blue one in all of my cars, just in case I have a little spill of coffee or frozen water bottle that's leaving some water behind. I clean it up with a clean microfiber towel. Now I use my towels on the inside, again, I'll use a certain color. On the outside, I'll use a certain color. And every single month, it changes up when I do my wash, or I just get new microfiber towels. So how do I wash my microfiber towels? Again, I'm not a pro. Comment down below how you wash it. This right here is the detergent that I use. Now you need a detergent, I don't know if it's focusing well and you guys can see. So you need a detergent that has nothing in it. It's just straight detergent. You don't want any type of softeners, you don't need any type of scent. You just need a regular detergent. Now I've watched a lot of videos where people put a little bit of vinegar. Vinegar might be good. I personally wash it just with Tide. I then air dry them. I don't throw them in the dryer. Now again, I watched many videos where actually I do agree that if you do put it in the dryer, they do become fluffy. Like here, no dryer, air dry, just fold it up. This is how they look. I mean, it just looks like a regular microfiber towel, but it's clean. Right here on the right side, I have a few colors of dirty microfiber towels because I've just been cleaning my BMW and the Porsche. So these are gonna go into the wash. Again, I air dry them, I use warm water, and I do a lot of, when it's gonna be rinsing, I do a lot, an extra rinse. Because you want everything out of your microfiber towel. You want to make sure that it's just nothing. You just spend extra water, and warm water, again, if you use hot water, it's going to be expensive because you're using a lot of energy. But that's that, guys. I wash my microfiber towels using Tide. I'm going to do that right now. These are the clean ones I'm going to put in my car. Just want to do a quick little video for all of you guys. Again, I'm not a pro, but if you have your own way of washing, make sure you comment down below. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Hope all you guys reach all of your goals for 2021. 2020 has been a bad one. Peace.